Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can group select paths and anchors in your documents on Adobe Illustrator in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So let me navigate to the example artboard here, and as you can see, I added this shape here for demonstration purposes consisting of these paths and anchor points. Now if you choose the standard selection tool in the top left, it will allow you to select the entire object, not these specific paths and anchors along or as a part of the object. So you will need to switch to the direct selection tool below, right click into it and choose either the direct selection tool or group selection. Now the difference is, if you choose the direct selection tool, you will be able to, for example, draw a box like this, and that way select only those paths and anchors that have been marked within that box. As you can see, those paths and anchors here to the right, you can tell by these by the fill color, they're empty, and the fill color here is blue. So obviously these here inside that box I just drew have been selected, and now you can, for example, use these. If you'd like to group select multiple of them, for example of the entire object, without using the standard selection tool, you will need to switch to the group selection tool and then click into the given path, and then it is going to select all anchors and paths along the way so that you may apply changes to them, or I don't know, move them, for instance, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's the difference between these three selection tools here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.